Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials, and we handling mathematics for you. So well my dear kids, in the last session I had taught you about the square and square root. There we have learned some of the problems. So in today's session, let us discuss the further part of that square and square root. And if you people have missed the last session, please go to the description box and watch the previous class videos. And well, let's start today's class. So we'll just start off with some of the new problems today. The first problem, find the least number. Find the least number. Find the least number. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 258 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. So see to the question what they are telling. They are telling that you have to find one of the least number. So which is that least number that you are going to get, and that least number should be subtracted from the number 258 so that this number will be a perfect square. So as we have already studied, the number which is going to end with 8 is not a perfect square. But here we can easily tell that this number is not a perfect square. And to make this as a perfect square, we need to subtract one number. And we have to see here which is that number. To see that what we have to do. So first we have to solve 258 either in prime factorization method or in division method. So let us solve that. So here the number is 258. So I'll go with division method. Okay. So if I go under division method, 1 ones are 1, 2 minus 1 it is 1, and 1 plus 1 here it is 2, and I take down 58 down. Okay. And now I'll check on with 26 6 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So where it is nearest to 158. So what I do, I take 26 6 up. So 26 6 up, 156, and here the remainder remains 2 and 6. Here it is 32. So you can ask me, why can't you further divide? Since here the remainder is the smallest number and the number which you are having on the left hand side is the highest number, we are going to leave it here. But whatever the remainder that you have got here, so this is nothing but the least number. So what we are going to call it as? We are going to call this as the least number. So therefore, hence 2 is the which number? It is the least number. Hence 2 is the least number which must be subtracted from which number it has to be subtracted? 258 to make it as a perfect square. So that is, if we minus 258 minus 2, 456, where 256 is the perfect number, perfect square number we can call it as. So now you can copy down this, copy down. Fine, hope you all copied this. Now we'll just move on to the next problem. That is your problem number 2 for today. A general wishing to draw. A general wishing to draw his. Wishing to draw his 16,160 soldiers. 16,160 soldiers in the form of a solid square, comma, found that he had 31 soldiers left. Found that he had 31 soldiers left. Full stop and continue. Find the number of soldiers in the front line. Find the number of soldiers in the front line. So this is your question. See to the question once what they are telling in the question, understand and then go for the solution. So there is one general and he is the one who is wishing to draw his 16,160 soldiers. There are totally 16,160 soldiers. How many soldiers? 16,160. In the form of a solid square. He need to form all the soldiers in a square shape. So when he is doing that, he found it that there are 31 soldiers who had left it out from that. That means 31 people are not there in this 16,160 soldiers which he has taken to form that square. So left means it is minus. Okay. And find the number of soldiers in the front line. So first we have to minus this, and when we minus we will get 16129, and for that we have to find the number of soldiers in the front line. With this help we have to find how many soldiers are there in the front line. Usually square means doing doubling it, right? So see here, solid square. So if we had found 31 left, we have done minus and we have got this, and for that we have to find the square root. So if you find the square root for 16129, if we pair the number, 1 ones are 1, 1 minus 1 0, here it will be 2, take down 61 down, and now it will go in 22 2s are 2s are, it is 44. So here it will be 11. If you want carry 1 over here, 1 2 3 4, here the remainder will be 7, and here it will be 1, and here it will be 24. So now we are going to take down 29 down, and 247 into 7 will see 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 20, 29 30 31 32, 2 3 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 15 16 17. So 247, 7s are 1 7 2 9, and the remainder is 0. Therefore, how many soldiers are there in the front line now? Therefore, 127 soldiers are there in the front line. Now this is your solution. So now you can copy down this. Fine, moving on copied this, we'll move on to the third question now. That is your question number 3. So the question number 3 is here. Simplify square root of 8464 plus square root of question mark, which is equal to 102. So where you have to find the value of question mark, and if you find the value of that, where these both will be equal to 102 if we remove the square root. But we don't know what is the square root for 8464. So first we have to find out what is the square for this square root, and then with that help we can find out the value of the question mark. So let us find the value of 8464 now. So we all know it is 9 9s are 81. Here it will be 18. Remainder will be 3. 64 you are going to take down. So 182 2s are, we will see 182 into 2. 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So we have got it. So that is 364 with the remainder 0. So now what is the square root for 8464? It is 92. So solution. So for this, so I'll just rewrite the question once. 8464 plus square root of question mark is equal to 102, and for this it is 92 plus question mark is equal to 102. Take the question mark to your left hand side. Question mark is equal to 102 minus 92. So now it will become question mark is equal to 10. So question mark is equal to square root of 10 square. So this square root, if I bring to my right hand side, it will become square. So 10 into 10, that is 100. So now the value of this will be 100. So therefore, square root of question mark is equal to square root of 100. So this is the value which has to be there in the place of question mark. And if I go for further verification, I will tell you how to verify that. And now you can copy down this. Now copy down. Okay, fine. You hope you have copied this. So I do the verification part here. You can see. So we don't know, we got to know it is square root of question mark is equal to square root of 100. So how to find out whether it is the correct answer or wrong? So as we got to know, that is 92. Well, if you remove the square root for this, you will get 92. In the same way, square root of 100, it is nothing but 10 is equal to 102. 92 plus 10, 102 is equal to 102. Since it is verified, your answer is correct. Copy down.